Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best patio blanket on the market, the hand-woven outdoor yoga blanket from Open Road Goods. Whether you're lounging on your patio, hitting the beach, or out for a picnic, this blanket promises both style and functionality. Let's start with what makes this blanket stand out. Crafted from 100% cotton with a durable, tight weave, it's designed to resist dirt and sand, making it perfect for outdoor use without the hassle of cleaning. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a breeze to take with you anywhere you go. Versatility is key here. Use it as a yoga mat or blanket, spread it out for a cozy outdoor lounging experience, or even hang it as a decorative tapestry indoors. With sizes ranging from XXL to mat size, there's an option for every need. What's more, purchasing this blanket supports small family businesses and independent artisans in Portugal, where each piece is lovingly handmade. It's not just a product. It's a piece of craftsmanship and a testament to sustainable, ethical production. And that wraps up our review of the hand-woven outdoor yoga blanket from Open Road Goods. Whether you're looking for a practical outdoor companion or a stylish indoor accent, this blanket delivers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay comfortable and stay tuned.